NASA's mission is to make progress in science, space exploration, technology, and aviation to improve knowledge, innovation, economic growth, and care for Earth. So far, the organization has worked tirelessly to achieve its goals and has kept us informed with documentation of its findings. By the middle of May 2022, researchers had found around 10,000 of the 25,000 predicted 460-foot-plus rocks. At the current discovery rate of 2% yearly, roughly 500 similar rocks are found each year. There's still a lot more waiting to be discovered. Now, here's the big news. During their research, NASA recently spotted something terrifying approaching our solar system. What could that be? Is it dangerous to human existence on Earth? You are about to find out, so stay tuned. A group of astronomers has found 3 enormous near-Earth asteroids that were concealed from the Sun's light. One of them, the 2022 AP7, is possibly destructive to Earth and is thought to be the most significant planet-killer-sized asteroid to have been discovered in a decade. Let's quickly tell you what an asteroid is and why it is considered a threat. Asteroids are heavy, rocky objects in space that move very quickly and appear as a point of light when seen via a telescope. These heavenly bodies are the remnants of the time our solar system was created, more than 4.6 billion years ago. There is little risk of a collision with Earth's surface during certain asteroids' near approaches. With that out of the way, let's keep moving. All 3 asteroids are part of a group located near the orbits of Earth and Venus. However, they are difficult to see since the Sun's brightness prevents telescopic views of them. An asteroid like the 2022 AP7 may cause a significant extinction catastrophe. The scientists only monitored during twilight hours, a short but ideal 10-minute window each night since they were concealed by the Sun's brightness. A dark energy camera was used at the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile, with a high-tech camera that was part of the NOIR Lab project of the US National Science Foundation. They could take pictures of large parts of the sky. The camera was made so that the US Department of Energy and the NSF could do a dark energy survey between 2013 and 2019. Plotting known NEOs versus eccentricity using the semi-major axis. The enormous blue circles represent the new findings from this survey. The yellow area depicts the area close to Venus's orbit, where it would be anticipated to find dynamically stable, low eccentricity Venus co-orbitals, but where no known asteroids have been identified. Since the asteroids are close to the horizon, the Earth's atmosphere blurs and warps them. This made it harder for astronomers to deal with the Sun's glare. Scientists have only found about 25 asteroids whose orbits are close to Earth's orbit. Research has shown that asteroids that are farther away from the Sun are easier to find. So far, Shepard's group has found 3 of these. 2 of the 3 asteroids found are about 1 kilometer wide, which is the size we call planet killers. The orbits of 2021 LJ4 and 2021 PH27 are safely contained within the parameters of Earth's orbit. The smallest is the 2021 LJ4, which has a diameter of less than 1 kilometer. The asteroid 2021 PH27 is the one that is known to be closest to the Sun. Because of this, lead may melt on its surface. The twilight survey fields captured by DCAM display their inclination from the ecliptic and elongation position from the Sun. What about the third asteroid, 2022 AP7? One of the 3 asteroids, 2022 AP7, which is 1.5 kilometers wide and could crash into Earth in the future, stands out from the other 2. We have a lot to learn about the asteroid, such as what it is made of or where will it go. Shepard says that an asteroid this size could be hazardous because it would cover the Earth's atmosphere with dust and pollution for years, blocking the Sun. But we know these massive rocks only cross the Earth's orbit when it's on the other side of the Sun. It also does when the Sun is in front of the asteroid. Since it takes the asteroid about 5 years to go around the Sun, this is likely to keep happening for a long time. Even though asteroids have been avoiding Earth in recent weeks, it doesn't imply a collision is impossible. The fact that they are being identified and can be tracked is paramount. That's definitely the best case scenario. In September of 2022, NASA's Defense Coordination Division discovered an asteroid they dubbed Asteroid 2022 ST7 zipping by Earth. An asteroid's danger zone is between 7.5 and 8 million kilometers from Earth. At a distance of 4.1 million kilometers and a velocity of 18,000 kilometers per hour, Asteroid 2022 ST7 made its closest approach to Earth. This asteroid, which circles the Sun once every 427 days, is a part of the Apollo group. Its farthest point from the Sun during its orbit is 203 million kilometers away, while its closest approach is 129 million. Research has also detected that sometime soon, an asteroid with a diameter of between 304 and 740 meters, that's 1,000 feet, will pass inside Earth's orbit. The Pan-STARRS 2 telescope in Hawaii made the discovery on September 12, 2022. The asteroid's trajectory was determined using observations made by the Pan-STARRS 2 telescope and the Steward Observatory at the University of Arizona. Dubbed 2022 RM4 by the Minor Planet Center, this asteroid has been seen moving toward Earth, but it doesn't pose a direct threat or cause any problems. Still, at a speed of about 52,000 miles per hour, that's 83,671 kilometers per hour, it will get as close to Earth as just under 6 times the distance in between the Moon and Earth on November 1st, 2022, about 1,427,801 miles, that's 2,297,822 kilometers. Asteroids are minor compared to the size of the universe, so they are easy to move around. This can also cause them to move into orbits that cross those planets. If an asteroid like 2022 RM4 were to hit Earth, the effects would depend on its size, speed, and angle of impact. The chances of this happening are about 1 in 100,000 years, depending on how giant the asteroid is. So if the 2022 RM4 and its 1,000 to 2,430 foot or 304 to 740 meter span hit Earth, it would cause much damage. A 740 meter rocky asteroid like this will hit our surface with the force of 30,000 megatons of TNT. It will create a 10-kilometer, 6.2-mile impact crater on Earth that is 600 meters deep and a 7.6 Richter magnitude earthquake. In all cases, a crater will form. Still, the size will depend on the composition of the asteroid, which could be anywhere from 2.4 to 9.6 miles in diameter. Within 100 kilometers of the impact, there will be radiation effects ranging from almost none to radiation burns, a range of seismic effects, air blast effects ranging from broken windows to buildings falling down, and clouds of gas and dust being sent into the air. The asteroid gets much brighter as it gets closer to Earth. Early in October 2022, RM4 was about 19.5 on the scale. That is too faint to see with the naked eye or a simple telescope. By the time it passes by Earth on November 1st, it will have grown to about magnitude 14.3. EarthSky said it won't be a bright beam of light, but amateur telescopes should be able to see it. So even though the asteroid 2022 RM4 is close to Earth on the solar system scale, it is very unlikely that it or any other asteroid will hit Earth. The asteroid is exciting because it was only found recently. This shows that the survey of asteroids close to Earth still needs to be done. Still, fortunately, there is no 460-foot wide asteroid or more significant that is predicted to collide with Earth in the next century. According to astronomers, the likelihood of a catastrophic event occurring in our lives is tiny. Do you feel better knowing this? Let us know your thoughts about these asteroids in the comments section. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if yes, we're sure you would like the next video here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more space videos.